You remember the conversation clearly, so do they. That's the problem, because when both of you talk about it later, it sounds like two different things happened. Same words, same room, same moment. Completely different memories. And neither of you is lying. Memory feels like a recording, like something happened and you saved it. But that's not what memory is. Every time you remember something, you rebuild it from whatever is still there and from who you are now. Think about an argument you've had. You remember what was said, the tone, the moment it shifted, the thing that started it, and the other person remembers it differently. Not slightly, but completely differently. They remember a different tone, a different starting point, a different version of what you said. And both of you are sure. That certainty feels like proof. It isn't. Or think about something good. A trip, a night, a moment you shared with someone. You've both talked about it since, to different people, in different ways. And now your versions don't quite match. The details are different. What mattered is different. Even how it felt is different. Same moment, two different memories, both completely real. Every memory does this. The argument that feels clearer every time you think about it. The moment someone said something that changed everything. The version of events you'd stake something on. The story you've told so many times, it feels permanent. When you remember something, the memory opens, just for a moment. It becomes unstable, and everything you're feeling now enters it. What you understand now, what you've decided about that person, what you needed the moment to mean. Then it closes again. Feels solid, feels true, but it changed every single time you went back to it. So the version that feels clearest, the one you trust the most, is the one that's been rebuilt the most times. The certainty isn't accuracy, it's repetition. This means the memories you'd defend without hesitating have been shaped by every version of you that's visited them, by what you needed them to be, by what made sense at the time, by how the story had to go. You weren't remembering, you were building every time. The clearest memory you have right now, someone else remembers differently. Not because they're wrong, because they rebuilt it too, from their side, with what they needed, into something that made sense to them. There is no original, just the versions that survived.